Imagine this scene. A beautiful bride laughs. Her joy fills a sun-drenched garden. The groom beams, his eyes full of love. Flower petals dance in a gentle breeze. Guests applaud, sharing the happy moment. Every detail looks perfect. The lighting is soft. The emotions feel real. It seems like a memory caught on film. You can almost hear the music and smell the flowers blooming nearby. This is a wedding you would love to attend. But what if I told you a secret? This wedding never truly happened. The bride and groom are not real people. The garden was never planted. Those guests are digital creations. This entire heartwarming scene was crafted by artificial intelligence. Specifically, it was brought to life by Google's Veo 3. This tool is changing how we think about video. It makes the impossible possible. Google Veo 3 is a new AI model. It is designed to generate high-quality videos. You give it a text description. Veo 3 then creates the video for you. It understands language very well. It can translate complex ideas into moving images. The future of video is here. The world of AI video generation is growing fast. Many tools are now available. Each tool has its own strengths. Some are good for short clips. Others excel at specific animation styles. You might have heard of tools like Runway or Pika. These are impressive in their own right. They have shown us glimpses of AI's creative potential. They have paved the way for new innovations. Competition in this space is fierce and exciting. However, Google Veo 3 aims to set a new standard. It pushes the boundaries further. Veo 3 demonstrates a better understanding of prompts. It can create longer, more coherent videos. The visual quality is often more refined. It handles complex scenes with greater ease. For example, maintaining character consistency across multiple shots is a huge challenge. Veo 3 shows significant improvement in this area. This makes it a very powerful option for creators. The rapid evolution in AI video is remarkable. Just a short time ago, AI videos were often short. They could be blurry or inconsistent. Now, tools like Veo 3 produce results that are cinematic. They are detailed and emotionally resonant. Google Veo 3 is an exciting new technology. It began its rollout, including in the USA. Often cutting-edge tools like this start with a subscription model. This helps support further development. It ensures the platform remains robust. Subscription might offer more features. It could mean more processing power or higher resolution outputs. This is a common approach for advanced AI services. It helps manage demand and resources. But what if you want to try it without a big commitment? There might be ways to explore Veo 3. Sometimes, companies offer trial periods. These let you test the features. Limited access programs or beta tests are also possible. Keep an eye out for announcements from Google. Educational institutions sometimes get special access too. These opportunities can be great for learning. They allow you to experience the power of Veo 3 firsthand. I encourage you to be curious. Seek out these chances to experiment. The world of AI is moving quickly. Getting hands-on experience is invaluable. Even a limited trial can teach you a lot. You can understand the capabilities. Let's talk about what Veo 3 can actually do. Imagine seeing a majestic dragon. It soars over a fantasy landscape. Its scales shimmer in the sunlight. Or picture a bustling, futuristic city. Flying vehicles zip between towering skyscrapers. These are not just dreams. Veo 3 has already created videos like these. These examples show its incredible range. It can handle complex details. It can generate diverse visual styles. The variety is truly impressive. Veo 3 can create photorealistic scenes. It can also produce artistic animations. It can mimic different camera shots and movements. Think of a close-up on an actor's expressive face, or a sweeping panoramic view of a natural wonder. Veo 3 understands these cinematic concepts. It translates your textual descriptions into dynamic visuals. This flexibility is a key strength of the platform. It opens up so many creative avenues. These showcase videos are more than just pretty pictures. They demonstrate Veo 3's underlying intelligence. The AI understands physics to some extent. It can depict how light interacts with surfaces. It can show how objects move. Section 5. Your words. Veo's canvas crafting video prompts with ChatGPT. The magic of Veo 3 really starts with your words. This is where text-to-video generation comes into play. You write a description of what you want to see, and then Veo 3 interprets your text. It turns your words into moving images just like that. Now, the quality of your prompt is, well, very important. A clear and detailed prompt leads to better results. No doubt about it. Think of yourself as a director, giving instructions to an AI filmmaker. Your words guide the entire creation process. To make amazing prompts, you can use another AI tool. ChatGPT is excellent for this. It can help you brainstorm ideas, expand simple concepts into rich descriptions, and think about details. Details like lighting, mood, and camera angles. Using ChatGPT can make your Veo 3 prompts much stronger. This collaboration between AI tools is very powerful, and it streamlines the creative workflow significantly. Let's try an example. Imagine this prompt. An Indian bride and groom are on an airplane. The bride looks out the window. Section 6, the director's chair. Bringing your AI video to life with Veo 3. Once you have your detailed script from ChatGPT, what's next? You take that script and input it into Google Veo 3. Paste your prompt into the text box. You are telling Veo 3 exactly what to create. It is like giving a blueprint to a builder. It connects your idea to Veo's creative engine. Veo 3 begins its work. The AI model processes your text. It then starts to generate the video frames. Veo 3 can add realistic sound effects and background music. This enhances the video's impact immensely. Imagine our airplane scene. Veo 3 might add the subtle hum of the engines. Section 7. Navigating Veo 3. Interface, prompts, and pro tips. Google Veo 3 is designed to be user-friendly. Its interface is likely clean and intuitive. You will probably find a main area for your text prompts. There will be controls to start generation. You should also find options to manage your created videos. Good design helps you focus on creativity, not on figuring out complex software. Google usually excels at making tools accessible. Expect a smooth user experience as you explore. Crafting effective prompts is an art. Here are some tips. Be specific with details. Mention colors, lighting, and mood. Describe actions and character expressions clearly. Experiment with camera angles like wide shot or close-up. Use strong verbs and evocative adjectives. The more vivid your language, the better Veo 3 can understand. Do not be afraid to iterate. Try variations of your prompt. See how small changes affect the output. If there is a free version of Veo 3, it might have limitations. Perhaps shorter video lengths or watermarks. A paid subscription usually unlocks full capabilities. This could include higher resolution. It might offer faster processing or more advanced features. Section 8. Beyond entertainment, the wide world of Veo 3 applications. The potential uses for Google Veo 3 are vast. They extend far beyond just making fun videos. Think about content creation for online platforms. Faceless YouTube channels are very popular. Veo 3 can generate engaging visuals for these. You can create videos without showing your face. This is great for educational content or storytelling channels. It opens doors for many aspiring creators. Marketing is another huge area. Businesses can use Veo 3 for advertising. They can create unique product demonstrations. They can make compelling social media content. Imagine dynamic ads generated quickly and cost-effectively. This can level the playing field for smaller businesses. They can compete with larger companies in visual marketing. Educators can also benefit. They can create custom animations to explain complex topics. This makes learning more engaging for students. Storytellers of all kinds can use Veo 3. Independent filmmakers can visualize scenes. Writers can bring their characters to life. Game developers can create concept art or cutscenes. Section 9. The dawn of AI video. Embracing your creative potential. AI tools like Google Veo 3 are revolutionizing video content creation. This is a fundamental shift in how we produce visual media. The power to create high-quality video is becoming more accessible. It is moving from the hands of a few to the hands of many. This is an exciting time for anyone with a story to tell or an idea to share. The barriers to entry are falling. Integrating Veo 3 into your workflow brings great efficiency. Think about the time saved. You can generate visuals much faster than traditional methods. This allows you to produce more content. It lets you experiment with more ideas. You can focus on the creative aspects. Let the AI handle the technical heavy lifting. This synergy between human creativity and AI power is the future. It will redefine many creative industries. I encourage you to explore these new tools, learn how they work, understand their capabilities and limitations. The digital economy is increasingly driven by such innovations. Being familiar with AI is becoming a valuable skill. Veo 3 is just one example of this broader trend.